My name is Ganesha and you probably see me everywhere. Do you know how I came to be? Well, let me tell you. Once upon a time, high up in the Himalayas, my mother Parvati lived with her husband Shiva. One day, my mother sat down to make a sculpture of a boy. She carefully molded the clay and ended up making a cute little boy, chubby cheeks and everything. She looked at his chubby and roly likeness and was very pleased with her creation. So, she decided to give it life. And this clay sculpture, me, came to life. We were both ecstatic. Since my mother had gotten dirty from making me, she decided to take a bath. As my father, the great Shiva, was away, she told me to guard the door and not let any strangers in. Now, I had never seen Shiva as I was just born. I sat outside, playing with a stick and minding my own business when a large man, all blue and cool, came up to the hut. Not knowing who he was, I yelled, "Stop!" And he replied, "How dare you? I am Shiva." With that, he raised his Trishul and swiped off my head. Hearing the noise, my mother came running out of the hut and shrieked, "What have you done to our son? I made him out of the earth with such love, and you have gone and chopped his head off?" Boy, was Shiva in trouble. He promised my mother that he would find a suitable head for their little boy. So off he went into the forest. Bish, bash, boom! We heard a cacophony of sounds and then an elephant trumpet. Shiva was back in no time with the head of an elephant which he fixed onto me. He then patted me and told me how proud he was of me for fearlessly obeying my mother's orders and gave me blessings of prosperity and intelligence. Since then, I've been known by many names like Vignaharta, Siddhivinayak and Vakratunda. And I am the remover of all obstacles.